Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Posa, and if today is the first time of watching my video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't also forget to push on your notification in order to be notified when my next video drops. Alright, without wasting much of your time today, I will be showing you a strategy and sharing with you also a strategy that works effectively, which has been tested and it's worked effectively. Note that this strategy is for only boom and crash market. This is very important. This strategy works on boom and crash market. Now, like I always say, no strategy is 100%. That's why I always advise young traders to test run each of my strategy on demo account in order to master the strategy. So you won't just go live without understanding a particular strategy. Now, if you don't have basic knowledge on trading, you can always contact me. My WhatsApp number is on the description, and also my Telegram group. Is also on the description. You can join my Telegram group. Now, without wasting much of your time, I'll be sharing this strategy to you. This strategy is very effective and is working well on the boom and crash market. Now, most times people always tend to get this forex all wrong. Now, most people want to get to talk you and make you feel that there's a strategy that works 100%. No strategy works 100%. So if you are getting 80% results from a particular strategy, that is a good strategy. That's a good strategy for you. Now, how do you use this strategy? This strategy is very, very, very easy. You don't need too much indicators. All you just need is what I'm showing you here on my screen. Now, with these little indicators you have in here, you can easily catch spikes on boom and crash markets. Now, whichever thing I'm showing you here on crash 1000, same applies to crash 500. Same applies to crash 500. It works on the hand, and whichever thing I will be showing you on either the boom 1000 market or the boom 500 market, vice versa, will also be the case for the other markets. Now, how do you catch these spikes on the crash market? This is very easy. Now, don't forget that the trend of the market on your crash 500 and your crash 1000 should be on a downtrend. This is very important. When catching spikes on crash 500 and crash 1000, it's always advisable that it's on downtrend. When it's on downtrend, before it gets to its support level, it's very important that you know the trend of a particular market in order not to trade blindly, because most traders just they tend to blow their account since they don't understand much on the trading. Now, if you understand price action well, trading on boom and crash market will be very, very easy for you. Once you understand price action, trading on the boom and crash market will just be an easy thing for you. Now, if you don't understand price action and also market structure, you can always contact me. I can put you through. You can be on my mentorship program, and I can put you through on how you can understand price action and market structure. This is very important. when trading on these markets. Now, how do you catch spikes on this market? This is very, very easy. We're using these indicators, these simple indicators. It's very easy for you to catch spikes on boom and crash markets. Now, as you can see here, I'm bringing up an arrow out now to illustrate more better for you in order not to. All right. Now, these are the Bollinger Band. The green line up, this is the upper Bollinger Band, middle and lower Bollinger Band. Now, these Bollinger Bands helps you to know the extent to which market has got into. That is one of the function of the Bollinger Band. This is very important. So when you're trading on markets, you know when it has got into its peak. So you don't just go and start waiting aimlessly for a particular spike. So most times, when market has gone to a particular extent, it's always very easy using this Bollinger Band to predict the spikes. Now, how do you actually catch these spikes? Using this other window here. Now, you will zoom in, all in. As you can see, I zoomed all in. Now, this zoom level that I did now will give you a clearer picture of what is going on. Don't forget, it should be on M1. Now, when you are switching it to a higher time frame, like the H4 or H1, that is to just know a particular the trend of the markets. To know the trend of the markets, this is very important. To know the trend of the markets, as you can see here, I've switched it now to H1. Now, this helps me to know the particular trend of the market. Now, I'm taking it back to my M1. Now, I trade using the M1 time frame. Now, this gives me a clearer picture of what I'm aiming for, since I'm trying to aim for the spikes. So it's very important. It's on a lower time frame for me to understand it more clearly. Now, with this I've zoomed in like this. It's very easy for me to know when to place my trade. Now, looking at this here with the RSI, looking at the RSI here and the moving average, it's very easy for me to catch these spikes. As you can see here, you can see an intersection here. Now, once this line, this RSI blue line here, and this red line are crossing each other above this dotted 80 line. Now, this is a signal for you to place a trade. Now, once you get a first spike, just know that there will be more spikes coming. Now, once it's forming below this this moving average line here, it's very easy for you to start catching spikes. Now, once you check previous markets, now as you can see at this point here, let me take my arrow there. Now, as you can see here, you can see different spikes on this level here. Now, this is very important. As you can see, there was a break here and an intersection here. Now you receive more spikes, but don't forget, once it gets to its support level, it will stop spiking. Now, you should understand, you should get to know how to draw your support line and your resistance line. These are the key points when trading. Now, you need to understand those things clearly. Once you can draw your support and resistance line, it's very easy for you to detect these spikes and know the extent to which a particular market will spike to. Now, like I said, this strategy has been tested and is working effectively on the boom and crash market. Now, I showed you on crash 1000, so it's the same for crash 500. Now I'll switch it to boom market. Now, as you can see, the boom market is advisable you trade any spike on the boom market on uptrend. This is very important. You can use higher time frame to know the trend of a particular market. This is very important. Now, once you are done with that and you know the trend, now the opposite goes for the bull market. Now, once you see a particular, let me bring out an object to illustrate properly for you. Now, once you see a particular dotted line here, as you can see here, the 20 dotted line here. Now, once you can see a break here and a false spike here, this is a go signal for you to aim for the spikes here on the bull market. This is very important. Now, once you can see something like this, it's very easy for you to start aiming for these spikes, and you'll be getting this spike clearly. You'll be getting them clearly on the boom market. With these simple indicators, you can easily catch spikes with ease. Now, don't forget, always practice each and every strategy. I've been receiving positive comments through my WhatsApp, and it's very amazing. People that have been using my strategy. This strategy is working effectively. Now, don't forget, anything I'm teaching here on boom, same applies for crash. Now, I'll be showing you the indicators to use. These are the indicators, the Bollinger Band. These are the settings. Period 20, shift 0, deviation 2, apply close. Once you are done, you click on done. Now, these are the Bollinger Band. Sorry, let me bring out an object. These are the Bollinger Band. This is the upper, middle, and lower Bollinger Band. Now, the next indicator to add will be your relative strength index. Now, this is the setting, period 18. The levels, these are the levels: buy 20, sell 80. Once you are done, you click on done. Now, this other RSI, the blue line on this other chart here, comes out with this dotted line here, 80 and 20. Now, the next to add will be our moving average 48. Now, this is the setting. This is the settings. The period 48, shift 0, method simple, apply close. Once you are done, you click on done. Now, this other line here will pop out. Now, with this, you'll be able to catch spikes easily on the boom and crash market. Don't forget, you can always reach me through my WhatsApp. You can join my Telegram group. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope this strategy works well and you understand it perfectly. Alright guys, do have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye for now.